Is your Lenovo Ideapad 5 not booting up at all? We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. The issue often arises from a faulty hard drive, which can prevent your laptop from accessing its operating system. Replacing the hard drive typically resolves this problem and gets you back up and running. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.